You want to just put your sign in the snowbank, or?
What does it say?
Oh,
Oh wow.
got it recorded.
I am.
It's what I got it
Oh.
recorded.
Okay, I'm doing. Beep, 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 beep. There we go. Oh, put that. This is so cool and fun.
Cold, you have plenty of that. Down with the.
Yeah!
That was like Eve, Mom. Oh my god, I'm freezing.
Me too. I'll put the other. What?
Oh, there comes a big bunch of transport. Grace, no. You
No?
gotta get up from there. If they happen to slide around the corner.
Oh yeah. Hey, how are you doing?
One person watching. Or if you were eardrums after this.
Yeah.
I do this at the gym, but okay.
Sled tunnels,
Ugh.
Grace had a lot of sled tunnels. Okay, here, Grace. I'm going to go and get one of the ski pants. I'll be
Okay.
right back. Look like,
I don't. I love that. Me too. Hey!
Oh, that's Isaac and Mom, that's what's it called? Isaac and Jim's son, whatever. Jessica's son.
Isaac?
Yeah, that was in the car.
Oh,
Yeah. I'm cold. Who's watching? Oh my god, I can't wear my hands up for a second. Oh my goodness gracious. I think I'm gonna have a frostbite after this.
it was a good goal.
Oh.
Here we go.
I still have mine.
Sending like a bunch of videos later. Come on, come on. Oh, I just got it right in time.
Good job. Look at.
It's okay. Oh my god, you're like. Oh, I'm not prepared for this. Oh no, here we go. Ew, oh my gosh. Maybe they do something.
Maybe. Or maybe they missed the turn.
I'm not really ready for this.
Oh no!
Oh my god.
I'm fine. I'm just cold.
Oh my god, look at your way.
Oh my god.
Oh. No!
Oh!
No! Mom, your phone won't blink.
Which phone?
Woo! That's my
Oh, I thought that was your phone.
Woo! Woo!
Yeah! Everyone, what's that? You're missing out on the fun.
I heard you guys are going to Petawawa or whatever.
What?
I heard you guys are going to Pembroke with them.
Oh. When?
I don't know.
When do we go to Pembroke? I mean,
Oh my goodness. Look at that!
oh my gosh!
Woo! I have all of it.
I think because it's so cold.
I have.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Here we go,
I got all that. Mom, my hands are actually freezing.
Mine was too.
Oh, I can't record. My phone's closed.
Dude!
My hands are actually freezing. Chloe? Hi.
It's a 549.
Mom, I have a bunch of videos I sent.
Oh
Can I
no.
use your phone?
I'm recording.
I'm supposed to be live on Facebook.
Hold on. I literally don't have Facebook. I have Instagram, but it's okay. I think I frostbite.
It's crazy.
Well, I think I frostbite.
Oh my gosh, look everyone. This is amazing. Awesome. Comment down
I think I have
below.
frostbite though.
Ugh. I'm freezing.
Oh, got it too.
Oh my god. Yeah. Big wave. Yeah.
I think it's kind of like they're here.
Who's that? Oh. I'm freezing.
Did that die?
No.
I'm really, really cold.
Me too.
Who's Faith and
I don't know.
Jaden?
They went down there. That's what I saw. See? Oh gosh. Ice.
Warmer?
Oh, it's done.
No, they last for 6 to 8 hours.
It's cold. They're frozen.
My hand's frozen. Oh my gosh.
What time I went to bed last night?
Huh?
Guess what time I went to bed last night?
I don't know.
3.
I went to bed at like 12. Because I couldn't fall asleep.
I don't know how my toes get so frozen.
Ugh.
My socks off.
I'm wearing my mom's
Socks are off.
This is such a long
Woo!
Yeah.
I think I'm done. I'm freezing, Mom.
Where did I hear them? What did that say?
Just as they were all coming through, my phone freezes.
No way. Oh yeah, 'cause it's so
Like
cold.
as if.
I have a fireplace. You put the fire
I
pit
have a
underneath
power
it.
plug too, but it's frozen.
No, no, put the fire pit underneath it.
Oh yeah, sure. And it was like a really nice.
One!
And of course they're coming. I was like, oh.
I'm freezing.
Oh yeah, my toes are like.
Oh my gosh. My hand's dead. I can't even feel it anymore.
Yes, no pants on. Oh, I guess sorry, it's not black. Never mind.
It's the only thing that's really cold on me.
Yes, I'm not mean to throw you in the snow.
I thought you meant me.
You too, but
No!
Pick a spot where we could park. Can you pick a spot where we could park?
Jeez.
Who wants to come? You want to come help me? You want to carry the fire pit? I'll carry the fire pit.
The closest would be Fudge's right here. Fudge's right here.
You and Grace might have to carry
I
the fire
wanted
pit.
to...
Like the gas station.
So they're just getting the
Hi
fire pit.
everyone.
Or you can carry my blanket for me, and then you can come back and make another video.